Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, let's gather the necessary tools for this repair. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your device from static electricity. Make sure you work in a clean, well-lit area to avoid losing any small components. First, power off your Dell Latitude 3550 and disconnect it from any power source. Remove any connected peripherals, including USB devices and your power adapter. Next, place the laptop upside down on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws securing the back cover. There are usually 8 to 10 screws, so keep them organized as you remove them. Once all the screws are removed, use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the back cover off the laptop. Be cautious to avoid damaging any clips that might be holding the cover in place. With the back cover off, locate the battery. It's typically secured by additional screws. Remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. If you encounter any resistance, double-check to ensure all screws have been removed. Once the screws are out, gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. At this point, you may want to inspect the battery for any signs of swelling or damage, which can indicate that it needs replacement. If you find that the battery is indeed faulty, replacing it is straightforward. Purchase a compatible battery for the Dell Latitude 3550. If you're unsure, we can help with a professional diagnosis without obligation. Just remember, if you don't have the tools or the time to do this yourself, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy and convenient for you. To install the new battery, align it with the connector on the motherboard and gently press it into place. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. After the battery is secured, it's time to reattach the back cover. Press it down gently, ensuring all clips are in place and that it fits snugly. Replace the screws to hold the back cover securely. Make sure not to over-tighten them, as this can damage the casing. Now, turn your laptop back over, reconnect the power adapter, and power it on. Monitor the battery status to ensure it's charging correctly. If you continue to experience battery issues, it may require further troubleshooting or replacement of other components. Remember, we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Lastly, while cleaning your laptop's internals, take a moment to use compressed air to blow away any dust around the fan and vents. This helps prevent overheating and improves performance. If you're not comfortable performing these steps or if you run into difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to us for assistance. We can handle everything with no calls, no travel, ensuring you have a hassle-free experience. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any battery issues effectively and ensure your Dell Latitude 3550 is running smoothly again. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.